Hi everyone, welcome back to Bright Learners. Today we will learn 50 simple phrases for a real-life North American party. Are you ready? Let's get started. My birthday is next week.
My birthday is next week.
I invite 10 close friends.
I invite 10 close friends.
I send out the digital invitations.
I send out the digital invitations.
I choose a pink theme.
I choose a pink theme.
I order some flowers online.
I order some flowers online.
I clean the living room.
I clean the living room.
I buy a chocolate cake.
I buy a chocolate cake.
I buy some colorful balloons.
I buy some colorful balloons.
I pick out a beautiful dress.
I pick out a beautiful dress.
I make a party checklist.
I make a party checklist.
We set a date.
We set a date.
We blow up 30 balloons.
We blow up 30 balloons.
We hang up the banners.
We hang up the banners.
We create a music playlist.
We create a music playlist.
We prepare the party food.
We prepare the party food.
We arrange the dining table.
We arrange the dining table.
We buy snacks and drinks.
We buy snacks and drinks.
We wrap the birthday gifts.
We wrap the birthday gifts.
We clean the backyard together.
We clean the backyard together.
I open the front door.
I open the front door.
I welcome the first guest.
I welcome the first guest.
I take her heavy coat.
I take her heavy coat.
I serve the cold drinks.
I serve the cold drinks.
I play some light music.
I play some light music.
I introduce my cousin.
I introduce my cousin.
I appreciate your flowers.
I appreciate your flowers.
I receive a big hug.
I receive a big hug.
I show the guests around.
I show the guests around.
We take a group photo.
We take a group photo.
We laugh out loud together.
We laugh out loud together.
We admire her sparkling dress.
We admire her sparkling dress.
We chat and hug.
We chat and hug.
We play an indoor game.
We play an indoor game.
We taste the delicious pizza.
We taste the delicious pizza.
We fill the wine glasses.
We fill the wine glasses.
We propose a toast.
We propose a toast.
I turn off the lights.
I turn off the lights.
I light the birthday candles.
I light the birthday candles.
We sing the birthday song.
We sing the birthday song.
I make a secret wish.
I make a secret wish.
I blow out all the candles.
I blow out all the candles.
I cut the chocolate cake.
I cut the chocolate cake.
I hand out small plates.
I hand out small plates.
We eat the delicious cake.
We eat the delicious cake.
I unwrap a big present.
I unwrap a big present.
I love this silver necklace.
I love this silver necklace.
I thank everyone for coming.
I thank everyone for coming.
We distribute the small party favors.
We distribute the small party favors.
We say goodbye to everyone.
We say goodbye to everyone.
We clean the messy table.
We clean the messy table.
The wonderful party is over.
The wonderful party is over.
And that is our wonderful party. Great job today. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Bright Learners. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye-bye.